Hey guys, Shalin here. How are you guys doing? I hope that you are doing well. Now today I'm going to share with you a very quick hack on using GrooveFunnels import feature and import your funnels over from ClickFunnels. Shall we begin? Now first of all, we click on this button, New Site, and we start out with a blank template. Give your new site a name. I'll just call it ClickFunnels Templates. Start building. Within seconds, we will land on our new page. Click over here. Now you have to find this plus sign icon. Proceed to choose URL importer. Now the quickest way for us to copy and paste the funnel from ClickFunnels over is really to press this button, copy entire page. Go ahead and copy the entire ownership proof URL. Head over to your ClickFunnels account. Make sure you are already logged in. Okay. You can either build funnels or head to your existing funnels. Click on settings. Now find this head tracking code. For myself, I have already copied and pasted ownership proof over here. So you just have to go ahead and paste this code over in your account. Once that is done, scroll all the way down, click on save and update settings. Now, there's no way we can use the original URL over here and paste it into our GrooveFunnels account. So a quick hack is really to find this button over here. Preview page split test version. Open it in the new page. And all we need to do is to copy and paste the URL link here. Head back to GrooveFunnels. Paste it under the URL importer. Now ignore the import layout only because this is your own ClickFunnels account. All you have to do is to proceed with copy entire page. Give it a few seconds to load. Bam! There you go. The layout is more or less pretty decent. You just have to tweak some of the elements like the call to action button, the symbol, the images, and switch out the text, colors, or other elements which you may deem fit. So I hope that this feature, import feature, has been really helpful and the session is valuable for you. Now, please go ahead, and utilize this hack for your own funnels creation. I'll speak to you guys real soon. Bye.